Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's NET and today, man, I'm coming at y'all with another video. Hopefully, coming at y'all with another live trade video that ends well. So, hey, man, today we are on the pair Gbpjpy. And before I hop into this trade, man, if y'all ain't following me on Instagram or if you ain't joined the Discord, make sure to click the lips from the fuck. I'm already stuttering. Make sure you click the link in the description down below and follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I post when I trade, when I don't trade. When I trade, when I don't trade. And just trading shit in my life. You know what I'm saying? You can even follow me on there. Hey, yo, bro, I'm from your YouTube. I'll follow you back. You know what I'm saying? We could chop it up. Cool. Me. Now you know it's another trader. And for the Discord, you know what I'm saying? You might want to join the Discord, bro. Join the Discord. Because why not? I don't see why not. But hey, we be lit over there, man. Some days we be catching wins, some days we don't. You know how it be in the market. Some days you win, some days you lose. But hey, man, we just been chilling. We just been chilling for real. So, hey, man, we just trying to get this win on Gbpjpy. And really, what I'm looking for right here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Early on, what I'm really looking at is if this current candle we're currently at, if it just breaks below that, then I'm gonna just get out. I'm not gonna lie to you, because we had, I think I was supposed to get in. Yeah, I did get in right here. I did. Okay, my bad. I did get in right here. But you know, when you get in, it'll usually place you above where you wanted to get in at. But I don't know. I'm kind of questionable about this candle. And that's really because you guys know that I like entering off of when it has wicks below, and this kind of came out very, very bullish. But like I always say, you never know. It could play out. It couldn't. Hopefully it do play out. This is just something that I drew up that I didn't take because I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna keep it buck with y'all. I was on the toilet. I was taking the shit. But I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. That's why I didn't take it. And I didn't feel like taking it on my phone. I just didn't feel like taking that on my phone. So I was just like, man, fuck it. It is what it is. So this trade right here, where do we get in now? We got in. It got us in a little bit. So it is 10:52. It is 10:52. So it's not really a lot of momentum in the market right now. I'm trying to get this shit straight, bro. Okay, yeah, it's going crazy. I like that. Hopefully it keep going crazy though. Damn, brother. I don't know, bro. When it comes to marking on my shit, I'll be a little different. MET do be a little different. Let me see. I'm trying to make sure everything. I'm trying to get everything right. I'm trying to get everything right here. Alright, MET What are we doing here? Yeah, cause originally this was the entry right here. This is it right there. But I told y'all if it breaks below this candle, then I'm getting out. But we're gonna try to go for the 1 to 2 is like, oh shit, now I gotta get this shit straight. I'll be trying to get that shit perfect. I don't want to be seeing 2.02. I'll be trying to 1 to 2. It's NFP week. It's Thursday. If we can hit this, that'll be nice. That'll be top tier good shit. No cap. Yeah, 10:54. We hit it yet? We almost. Alright, so we got like 30 more seconds to the next candle. So, yeah, this is just a nice little, a little demand setup that I saw. Don't tell me you want to start dropping now. Say the just boost up here a little bit, bro. Boost up here. Hopefully this don't go down too far. Hopefully. Hopefully. Hopefully, yeah, okay. Now we can start pushing up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Come on. 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 Oh, no. Come on. Come on, start pushing up. Come on, we can start pushing up. We can start pushing up. Hey. 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 Yeah. Okay. No. Yes. Come on. Okay. Now look. Between me and you, GJ, hey, I'll fuck with you. You one of my top favorite pairs. No bullshit. Hey, I'm not just telling you that just so you can go up. I'm just saying, I'm keeping shit real. I really fuck with you, you know what I'm saying? You a nice little pair, you know what I'm saying? The way you be moving, the way you be walking, no, all that, bro. I love that shit. The way you be moving, you be walking, you know, you just a bad bitch. TP hit, bad bitch. She's a bad bitch. TP hit. See, I'm telling you, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Y'all gotta know how to talk to the charts. And hopefully, ain't nobody underage watching this video, cause you need to click your ass off and go to fucking bed and go study your social fuck. Maybe I need to go study fuck. Maybe I need to go study my damn homework. Fuck, you cool, bro. Fuck it. I need to go study. I'm stuttering and shit, mispronouncing words and all types of shit. Look, you gotta talk to the charts sometimes. You gotta know what to say to the charts. You know, you gotta spit game to the charts for real. I'm telling you. Cause y'all saw it was how she was going down, then I started talking to her, she started going up. Hey man. Hey, if y'all want me to drop an ebook on how to talk to charts and increase your profitability rate by like 30%, I got you. I'm all I'm gonna need from you though is your social security number. That's it. Hey man, enough of the bullshit. We finna hop straight into this trade little break. Now I'm finna see y'all, tell y'all what I saw and why I got in this trade, right? So boom. First things fucking first, right? I was on the shitter. You know what I'm saying? I was like, man, I gotta wrap this shit up. I gotta go to my computer. I can't miss another setup, right? Boom. I drew that demand zone up, and I was like, okay, yeah, maybe that did tap. And I was like, you know, it might be invalid. I was like, you know what? Let me just analyze the zone to see how the candles react in the zone, because that's what a lot of people get trapped into when they want to hurry up and get into trades, or you know, some people trade aggressive, or some people wait for the break of the candle, or you know, some shit like that. But you really gotta pay attention. No matter how you enter break of the candle, you know, all that shit. You really need to pay attention to how the zones are, the candles are reacting to the zone, because sometimes I'm not gonna lie, the zone will look perfect, the candles will react to the zone perfect, and then the setup will still fail. But I mean, if like I said, this is how I enter, and if I would have lost this trade, then I would have been like, okay, fuck it, it is what it is, you know. But a demand setup, 5 minute, you know, 5 minute demand, you know, boom. This came in here, I was like, cause I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of skeptical, but I was like, you know what? Okay, I saw that candle, then I saw that candle, I was like, okay, and like boom. All right, so one candle. So look, this is how I do these entries. One, the first candle, man. Look, this is just my free sauce. Y'all probably never gonna say this in a video again, but I call this 3 candle entry, right? So the first candle is the red candle, touches into the zone. Now this, it doesn't have to wick out of the zone. It just has to touch into the zone, right? Now, second candle, this candle has to have a wick below it and above it, and possibly close out the zone. Possibly close above the zone, and it closed above the zone. Now, the third candle is where we get our entry at. Now, on the third candle, what I want to see is I want to see a wick, create a wick under the candle, and then push back up. And once it breaks above the last wick, I'm in. And that's basically where I got my entry from. Now, another confluence is a 15 minute. I ain't gonna lie. We was in a 15 minute demand, and I was like, yo, this shit is low key kind of fire. But even though it kind of already tapped, I was like, I was still feeling kind of good about it though. I'm not gonna lie. And then we had this huge. I think this may have been news, but it looked like it took out like some, you know what I'm saying, some liquidity. It looked, yeah, took out these people stop losses, you know. took out that, and then it just pushed back up. And I was like, fuck it, man, you know what I'm saying? And another thing was just fit. So we got the 5 minute to 15 minute, the candles, and then I'm going here to show it. We were above the SMA on the 5 minute, so I was like, okay, that's valid. On the 15 minute, valid. Say it with me. On the hour, valid. So yeah, man, that's really it. That's really it. You know, I like to keep shit simple. I don't like to overcomplicate shit and just really just try to find 13 confluences and only get like 1 or 2 trades fucking a month or a week or some shit. Gotta have the EMA crossing, you know, you gotta have my MACD, you know, I gotta have my my stochastic, you know, and then don't forget, yeah, that has to match up with my RSI. No, I like to keep shit simple. I don't like to use all them indicators and shit. As y'all saw, I really took this setup on a naked fucking chart. I'm talking about no clothes on the chart, no indicators on the chart. This motherfucker was naked. NAKED, naked. But yeah, man, that's really all I got to say, man. So yeah, as y'all can see, we have 400 on the account so far. It's been a slow week, but hey, slow week is still a week you're gaining as long as you win. So yeah, it's NFP week, man. I'm gonna try to drop this the day that I record this. But hey, man, we out. I don't know what else to say to y'all, and I'm not gonna sit up here and make up shit to say. So, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I said I'm gonna catch y'all later. Alright, now I said I'm gonna fucking catch y'all later. You can click off the video, bro. I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make sure you know what I'm saying, I end the video off and I'm cool. I go lay back down, but bro, you go. I'm good, bro. I'm straight. Get the fuck off the video.